everyone, I'm Judy Jackson. I'm continuing my series of short videos, but I have to admit that trying to do them in 1 minute was not so clever, so I'm doubling it to about 2. Now what I'm going to show you this week and in the next couple of weeks is 3 new ideas, but they all have the same thing. When you go out to lunch or dinner to a friend, it's nice to take something, and usually people take flowers or chocolates. But what I'm going to suggest is that you take something you have made. But to add on to that, you're going to take them how to do it. You're going to give them the recipe. And the third thing you're going to give them is one ingredient that they might not have at home. So here are the 3 things. The first one is some very nice almond biscuits. And for that, you're going to send with it a little bag of flaked almonds. The second video is about tomato sauce, a really quick, delicious tomato sauce. I wouldn't bother sending garlic and tomatoes and olive oil, they'll have that. And the last one is chocolate brownies. And the whole trick about getting really good chocolate brownies is to cook them for far less time than you'd think. So if the recipe says 15 minutes, try it for 10. What you're aiming at is something gooey. So when you send that and take it with your gift, what you're going to take is a wonderful bar of dark chocolate. So I hope you try them.